In this video we will learn how to take over requested asset in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Asset module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Asset Handover and Takeover Form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria. Asset Issuance Type and Asset Request Type drop-downs show all types of requests that can be viewed. Either select a specific Asset Issuance Type or select Request Type Asset Return Request. In the grid below you can see list of requests. Click on Return Asset button under Action. A pop-up will be visible. Define the checkout date. Enter remarks. Then click on Submit button to take over or unmap the asset from the employee. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.